Good morning, sunshine. I want to bless you. I'm so happy to be with you once again. Today's activity will be very simple. We're going to be adding a video to our PowerPoint presentation. Our first step to follow is open our presentation. So you have to go to the presentation, which is on your desktop, and it's called Household Chores. You double click on it in order to open it. There you go. And here it is. Okay. Remember, we created several slides. Now we need to create a new slide. In order to do that, I want you to click on the last slide and then enter. And you see we can have our new slide. Or you can go to your ribbon into the slides group and you can click on your new slide icon. And there it is. Okay. How do we add a video? Well, in very simple steps, you can go here to this small menu that you can observe where we added our table or chart, and there you can add a graphic, an image, or online image. In this case, we're going to add a video, so we have to click on this little icon that says Insert Video. We click on it, and there you're going to see you have some options. You can get a video from your computer, okay, from a code that you already have, or in this case from YouTube. Okay, in our case, we're going to use YouTube, so we're going to click on this search box here, and we are going to write the clue words that you want to indicate YouTube to look for. So we're going to look for Genesis, as from the book of Genesis, and then creation. Okay, those are clue words that is going to indicate YouTube which video you want to look for or what kind of video you want. And then you just click enter, and there you go. You have several options. In our case, we're gonna use the second option here, this one. Why this one? Because this is the video that you have been watching at home, okay? To practice the 7 days of creation. You have been observing what happened in the first day, second day, okay, all that. So we're gonna click on this one because this is the video we want, and then we just click insert here. Okay, we're gonna wait, and there you go. Look, that's our video. Now we can make it bigger or we can make it smaller. It depends on the size that you want. In my case, I want it bigger, and I'm just gonna click on the corner, look, and drag it upward in order to make it bigger, right? If you want to make it smaller, you can just drag on the corner, on any corner, okay? And in this case, on this one, and I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to drag it downwards, okay? But I want it bigger, so I'm just going to click on the corner and move it upward, okay? And that's it. There you go. And here's your video. Now I want to play it. So I just double click on it, and there you can see the icon for play. You can see it.
Stories of the Bible.
There you go.
Creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was empty.
Okay. You can watch the whole video if you want. In this case, I don't want to see it. I'm just guiding you on how to do it. But if you want to watch it at home again, that will be nice. Okay, so here, there's my video, and that's it for today. Remember to save your work before you close everything. So you have to go into File and click Save, or you can click on this little icon on the corner, which is the same thing, and you just save your work. Okay, that's it for today. I bless you. I bless your family. I bless your life. And remember, stay safe. Stay at home. Love you guys. See you soon.